All right, a couple of tips. I marked everywhere there was a line on that collar. And when you put this back together, make sure the bracket's up on top. See, I just put it together and had the bracket on the bottom. Screwed myself all up. So now we need to put this back in here, which is the metal collar. Okay? And this way you can see the lines on the side now. And there's 4 positions. Noon, 6, 3, and 9. Don't forget your spring. Now that you have everything lined up where it should be, that's it. All because of that line. I was sitting there trying to spin that before. Now I know where the line is. So that's it. It's that easy. Now what you do is see how your tabs are straight up and down? Kind of hang on to this. Push your tabs down. And if you really want to be sure, just don't be stupid. Just kind of smash them back down with a pair of pliers. Now. That one's done. That way when I walk away and get sidetracked, I'll know I've done that one. Now you don't need to see the other 4. I'll bring you back, or the other 3. I'll bring you back when I get the others done, or if I see something amazing in here that you need to see. I'll bring you back when I get these 3 done. We go and start to put it back together, and then we'll try it out. Alright, so now it's just a matter of putting all these screws back in, making sure you don't have your wiring under any of your plungers, and then you can see how dry and brittle some of these O-rings were. They came out, they broke, they're so dry. And I'm hoping for the best, because a used one of these things is $150. A new one is, I don't know, $400 or $500. And I know my sister-in-law drove this all one summer with air conditioner on the dash only. And it gets hot down here. Whoops. And it gets a bit hot. So, we're going to try and fix it. Being that I own it now. I'll be back. Alright, we'll do this real time. So, we know it works or it don't. Okay, we're just going to set that there for a second. Let's do okay, that's the frosters. And blow her up. Yeah, we know the frosters work. Let's try vent. Oh, shoot. Believe it. Let's try blower. Amazing. Just utterly amazing. But I just fixed that thing for $4. That's perfect. the, see if you can see it. All right, we'll put it on the floor. Okay, let's put it on the defrost. You probably can't see that, but we'll put it on vent. Look at that. Okay, put it on floor. Works perfect. You can't ask for better for $4.